Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic that is differential equations and applications. Now see, in this topic what we are going to study. First of all, we will study what is the meaning of differential equation. Then in this topic we have to study the ordinary differential equation. Then next point is how to find out order and degree of a differential equation. Then how to find out the solution of a differential equation, then formation of a differential equation, and last point that we are going to study, that is applications of differential equations. So just like quadratic equation or linear equation, here we will study the differential equations, okay, and their solutions also. So let us recall, whenever we write the function y is equal to f of x, then the variable y depends on x. So all of you know that independent variable is x. In case of y is equal to f of x, independent variable is x and dependent variable is y, because y depends on x. Then we know the equation. Then we require the derivatives of different functions, and also we require integration. So to understand this topic, what we require, what is the meaning of independent variable, what is the meaning of dependent variable, what do you mean by equation, then derivatives and integration. Okay, so let us study now. See, what is the definition of differential equation? It is given here, 8.1. see here, definition: an equation involving dependent variables, independent variable, and derivatives of dependent variables with respect to the independent variable is called a differential equation. So an equation which contains dependent variable means, for example, y is equal to f of x is a function, then the equation which contains y, which is dependent variable, also it contains x, which is independent variable, and also which contains the derivatives of dependent variables, means derivative of y with respect to independent variable, that is x, means which involves the derivative like dy by dx or d square y upon dx square, means second order derivative, that is called as a differential equation. Now for example, it is given here, number 1, dy by dx plus y is equal to x. This is a differential equation because it contains the derivative of y with respect to x, plus y is dependent variable is equal to x, where x is independent variable. Okay, so dy by dx plus y is equal to x. This is called as a differential equation. Similarly, second one, there is x square into d square y upon dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. It contains dependent variable, independent variable, and here it contains the first order derivative, that is dy by dx, and second order derivative, that is d square y upon dx square. So see this is also an example of differential equation. Similarly, here it is d square y upon dt square is equal to t, where this function is it is expressed in terms of t, means derivative of y with respect to t, second order derivative is involved here. Here y depends on t, so y is dependent variable, t is independent variable, so this is also a differential equation. Okay, so these are some examples given in your textbook. Similarly, another example, fourth one is given that r into dr by d theta plus e raised to theta is equal to 8. Here r depends on theta, just like y depends on x. Here dr by d theta, this derivative is included here, so that's why r depends on theta, and that's why r into dr by d theta plus e raised to theta is equal to 8. This is also a differential equation. Similarly, fifth one, it is root of 1 plus dy by dx is equal to d square y upon dx square. This is also an example of differential equation. And last one, x dx plus y dy is equal to 0. So there is x, then y, and dy by dx is distributed to x dx plus y dy like this, and it is equal to 0. So this is also a differential equation. Okay, so there are 6 examples given in your textbook to understand the concept of, or to understand the definition of differential equation. Now we have to study the ordinary differential equation. Now what is the meaning of ordinary differential equation? See here, a differential equation in which the dependent variable, say y, depends only on one independent variable, say x, is called as an ordinary differential equation. Means usually whenever we write the function y is equal to f of x, then y only depends on x. In that case we get the differential equation, and that differential equation is called as ordinary differential equation, because sometimes y may also depends on x and other variable also. But as per our syllabus, here we are going to study the ordinary differential equation where dependent variable y only depends on one independent variable x, and in that case we get the differential equation, and it is called as ordinary differential equation. Now in this topic, first point that we are going to study is order of a differential equation. So let us see the point number 8.1.2. Order. What is the meaning of order? So see here, it is the order of highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Now see, all of you know that the equation which involves the derivative is called as differential equation. Now for example, suppose dy by dx plus y is equal to x. This differential equation is given to you. Then dy by dx is the term of derivative, and it is the first order derivative which is involved in this function, in this equation. So that's why the order of this differential equation is 1. Highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, that is called as order of a differential equation. So in this case, dy by dx plus y is equal to x, the order is 1. Similarly, if the differential equation is given x square into d square y upon dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0, in this case the order of the differential equation is 2, because the second order derivative is included here. Then third one is, suppose d square y upon dx square bracket square plus x into dy by dx is equal to 2y is given to you. Then here in this case also the order of the differential equation is 2. Just to see the highest order derivative which is occurring in the differential equation. So here it is d square y upon dx square, so order of the differential equation is 2. And last one, 2 times dy by dx is equal to e raised to x. Then in this case dy by dx means first order derivative is involved, so that's why the order of this differential equation is 1. Okay, so this is all about the order of a differential equation. Now next point is degree of a differential equation. See the definition. How will you get the degree of a differential equation? That is, it is the power of the highest order derivative when all the derivatives are made free from fractional indices and negative sign, if any. Means when, as you decide the order of the differential equation, highest order, and the power of that highest order is called as degree of a differential equation. Remember, it is the power of highest order derivative, and what is the condition here? We have to make that power of the differential equation made free from fractional indices and negative sign, if any. Okay, so for example here, first one, x square into d square y upon dx square raised to 1 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Here order of this differential equation is 2, because highest order derivative is second order derivative. And let us see the power of that. Here the power of d square y upon dx square is given raised to 1. So in this equation, the highest order derivative is d square y upon dx square and its power is 1. And there is no any negative or fractional indices in this differential equation. So you can write the power as a degree of the differential equation, that is 1. Okay. Now next one is, suppose the differential equation is given to you, that is d square y upon dx square is equal to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square. Now there is a cube root, so fractional index is given here. So in this equation, the highest order derivative is d square y upon dx square. But to determine the degree of this equation, first we have to remove the cube root by raising both sides to the power 3. So in this differential equation, there is a cube root. After taking cube on both sides, it will get cancelled. So what will you get? After taking cube root on both sides, we get d square y upon dx square raised to 3 is equal to 1 plus dy by dx bracket square. And here now the degree of this equation is 3 because highest order derivative is 2 and its power, that is 3. Okay, so degree of this equation is 3 and order is 2. Order 2, degree 3. So here we remove the fractional indices and then we get the degree of that differential equation. Okay. Then third one, if dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 7 upon dy by dx. Now see, upon dy by dx means we have the power, that is raised to minus 1, dy by dx raised to minus 1. So in this equation, first of all we will transfer this dy by dx to the left hand side, and hence the given equation becomes dy by dx bracket square is equal to 2x plus 7. Now highest order derivative is dy by dx and its power, that is after adjustment we get the power is 2 and hence the equation has degree 2. Okay. So what we have learnt here, we have to find out the degree of the differential equation, make all the derivatives free from fractional indices and negative sign, okay, if any. So how to determine the order? Order means highest order derivative involved in that differential equation. And what is the meaning of degree? Degree means it is the power of highest order derivative, where we have to make all the derivatives free from fractional indices and negative sign. Okay. So today we have completed definition of differential equation and then how to determine order and degree of the ordinary differential equation. Okay. Thank you.